Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining today's class. Today, I will carry you into step by step on how to solve indices having square roots. We are carrying out simplification of indices without using mathematical tables or calculator. Let's see what's on the board. You have to simplify square root of 8 squared times 4 raised to power n plus 1 over 2 raised to power 2n times 16 is having square root covering the whole expression, the whole division. Now let's see what's on the board. Let's start solving it. Square root of 8 squared multiplied by 4 raised to power n plus 1 divided by 2 raised to power 2n times 16. That's the question. What you need to do is that the base has to be expressed in terms of 2. You can see it's being mixed up. 8 is the base here, 4, 2, 16. The least number in the square root is 2. I will simplify it in such a way that all the base will be expressed in terms of 2. Number 2. Okay, now let's see what's on the board. Equals to square root of 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3. Multiplying 2 in 3 places. 2 times 2 times 2 will give you 8. Now write 2 raised to power 3. Formally, you're having 2. Put it in brackets times the next one, we're having 4. It will be expressed as 2 raised to power 2. Formally, we're having n plus 1. Let it be in bracket because the 2 is multiplying the whole expression. Divide by 2 raised to power 2n times 16. We have to break 16 down likewise. Now let's do that. If you don't know it, just write 16. 2 goes in 16, that's 8. 2 goes in 8, that is 4. 2 goes in 4, that is 2. 2 goes into 1. That means that 2 raised to power 4. See how many times can you see 2? It's 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. You are raising 2 to the power of 4. Alright, 2 raised to power 4. Okay, now continue simplifying your expression. Now you have it to be equals to the square root of 3 times 2 give you 6. That's 2 raised to power 6 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 times n, that is 2n. 2 times 1, that is plus 2. Okay, divide by 2 raised to power 2n times 2 raised to power 4. You can still simplify it further. Because of square root of 2 raised to power 6 multiplied by, as you are saying, 2 raised to power 2n plus 2. We are going to apply the laws of indices. When you're having positive at the power, joining two number or two expression together, when you are breaking it down, you are going to use 2 raised to power 2n times 2 raised to power 2. Because multiplication, when you are breaking it down, multiplication, the addition will turn to multiplication. Okay? Now, to now be in this form, 2 raised to power 2n, instead of writing plus 2 at the power, now write times 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2. You can still go back to the expression, the former expression by saying 2 raised to power 2n multiplication will be replaced with addition when you are using 1, 2 to represent the two 2's. That's indices. 2 raised by 2n plus 2. Okay, you are breaking it down. Always know that positive return to multiplication, and when you are dealing with division return to subtraction at the power. At that point, we use 2 to represent the two 2's. That's when the division return to negative at the power. But since you're having addition at the power and you are breaking it down, it will now be multiplication, and you have returned the two places instead of one. Are you seeing it? Okay, divided by 2 raised to power 2n times 2 raised to power 4. Indices is a very, very simple topic, but you have to know all the laws of indices. Okay, now you can now see what can cancel out. 2 raised to power 2n will cancel 2 raised to power 2n. You are left with 2 raised to power 6 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 over 2 raised to power 4. Good. Okay, now at this point, we are going to apply the laws of indices. Since you can see that 2 is in two places, I want to use 1, 2 to represent the two 2's. And at the power, the multiplication will change to addition. That's 2 raised to power 6 plus 2. Okay, divided by 2 raised to power 4. Please take note, when you are putting your square root, let it cover the whole expression. Equals to, okay, you can still write it here, equals to square root of 6 plus 2, that is 8. That's 2 raised to power 8 divided by 2 raised to power 4. Now it will be equals to square root of, there's division here. Now let's use the sign of division to express the two division. Okay, now you're having 2 raised to power 8. You're having 2 raised to power 8, square root of 2 raised to power 8 divided by 2 raised to power 4. Still the same thing with what we have in this expression, but I want to apply the laws of indices. That's why I change this division line to division sign. Okay, now we now have it to be equals to square root of 2 raised to power 8. I told you before that when it is division that separates the base of numbers, two numbers that are the same, and you want to take one out of the two, the division that's in between them will turn to subtraction at the power. Now, 2 raised by 8 minus 4 equals to square root of, that's law of indices. Please take note. I have 2 raised to power 8 minus 4, that is 4. Okay, equals to, don't forget that square root stand as half at the power. You now write it, that is 2 raised to power 4 times half. Okay, this square root has turned to half. Is okay by multiplying with this 4 that is formerly at the power. Now you have 2 into 1, 2 in 4, 2 equals to 2 raised to power 2, which is equals to 2 raised to power 2 means 2 times 2, which is equals to 4. Okay, that brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates, and also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Have a wonderful day.